Like the photo gallery, a video gallery gives the end user a library of videos that can be opened with a finger tap. Unlike the photo gallery, it only provides links to online versions of those files. Video and sound files are too large to live on the app, so links are used instead of actual files. Let's see how to create a video gallery. First, click the Add Screen button and find the video gallery template. Drag it into the workspace. Once the template is open, click the default tile and select YouTube in the editor's host field. Select the video you want to add to the screen, click Share, and copy the URL. Return to the platform and paste that URL into the editor, then click the Attach button. Clicking the Add Video button, repeat these procedures to create your gallery. Then name the screen and save it.